Hey Naturalistas, it's me again, here with a lock install. So this is how I install my locks. I'm going to take this head wrap that I had on to cover the fact that I have not finished my locks. As you can see, I've started and I've done BANTU knots to hold them in place and to give them a little body wave curl when I release them and take them out. And it also keeps me from separating the hair. The back of my head is not done because I didn't purchase enough packets and I ordered some and I'm waiting for them to come in next week. All right, so of course in my last video I showed you how I made these locks, so go ahead and tune in. And I'm going to show you how to install them into your natural hair. I'm going to be using my 16-inch PREMADE locks, natural, my 0.5 crochet needles. I have other needles, the 0.75 ones, but they're too large. The 0.5 ones are the best ones, I think, in my opinion, to get that tight wrapped look. All right, I'm going to be using the locking gel from Jamaican and Mango Lime. You can get that from your local Walmart. The needles, I forgot, you can also get that from Amazon. I got a 6-piece for $10. Alrighty, so I have 8 left in the front of my head. I have parted my hair, twisted it, and everything, so that way I can separate and know what sizes I want, make sure the parts are kind of correct, make sure it goes along with how bad my edges are. So, I mean, it's basically up to you. If you have all those nice little thick edges, no matter what texture your hair is, that's great. Simply, I don't, so I have to part my hair in a certain way. I'm going to go ahead and unravel my hair because I twist it. And don't mind the back right now. This will be completed, and I'll show you the update in the next video. I am going to go ahead and put in a generous amount of locking gel. Put it all in those roots. That's going to be the key for when you twist your hair. I'm not going to be using the interlocking method. My hair is way too thin for that. I'm not doing that. I'm going to go ahead and separate the hair into 2. I'm going to be using the braiding and wrapping method. The other method, I didn't use it simply because I was just so insecure about using it because I wanted to just stay. And once it's in, it's in. All right, so I'm going to braid it. And I'm going to use that other end. One end I'm braiding it with. And the other end, I'm going to go ahead and insert it to the root of my hair. And then wrap along down the hair. All those extra strands that I didn't use. And also with my hair. Now, I put at least 1.5 inches, 2 inches into my hair. I wanted it to be secure, so I didn't go ahead and do it like 1 inch, like recommended. And then I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. And then I'm gonna use my crochet needle, the triple one, just to go in and out, make sure it's secure, because once it's in, and then make sure it kind of gives a cohesive lining from my hair and interlocking. It's not going to be super cohesive, but I mean, they're locks, and locks aren't always super neat. Mine can possibly come out messy. I mean, I'll find out how bad I did within like the next couple of months. We'll see how bad I did. I will let you guys know if this was a pass or a fail, or if I continue. Just go ahead and subscribe and try to see what it's gonna look like. All right, so I'm crocheting. Now I'm using my stubble needle to make sure it's a little bit more secure. Now, once these are in and you make a mistake, I tried so hard not to make a mistake. That's why I did this during quarantine, because I'm like, if I make a mistake, I'm gonna just have to take even longer to unwrap it, I believe. I hope I never have to take these out until it's time to cut off the lock extensions. So I'm going back and forth with my double needle, making sure it's intertwining together. I'm not a loctician, so I don't really know the right wording. I'm bantu knotting. Of course, bantu knotting is we separate that hair, make sure that lock, once I twist it, that it stays in place, and the locking gel gets to stay, and I take about 24 hours once I put it in to take it out. Not even 24, 12 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and continue doing the rest so you can see. It's not the clearest vision or version that I can show you, but I mean, this is the best I can do with the lighting that I have. Remember, there's also other methods you can use to install these yourself, but I just wanted to make sure that it stays in there and that I don't wash my hair and then it just falls out. But again, we will see how that's going to turn out. It could be a fail. I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert. So, and this is my hair. So if anything, the only person that I'm going to be mad at is myself for doing such a horrible job. But again, I can always try to figure out how I can fix it, because when there's a will, there's a way. So therefore, if it does fail and my hair starts growing weird or whatever, I can find some kind of method to kind of blend it and stuff like that. So I'm almost done here, as you can see. And I just wanted to show you the front, how I did it. I mean, like and comment if you want to see me do the back. I mean, I may film it. I may just show you just the results, because I don't know if it's necessary. But if it's necessary for you, go ahead and like, comment, and let me know. All right, so doing the same method throughout. Twisted, bantu knotted. Those ends, I'm gonna have to figure out a way how to tie those ends in better. But you can see I'm bantu knotted. Don't worry about my edges. I will fix those eventually. And I'm gonna show you a little preview of what you're gonna miss out on if you don't go and check out the results in my next video. Here is what it looks like unraveled. This is one of the thinnest parts of my hair. So I feel like it was a pretty decent job on that part. And the front, I always part it a little bigger. It looks about the same size as others, but I part it a little bigger, or supposed to part it a little bigger, because that's usually the thinnest part of your hair. I'm going to show you the other side. These are two very thin parts of my hair that I've already installed. I'm showing you what it looks like after the locking gel has dried. I've twisted it. It looks like a brand new professional twist out. Now the bantu knots are a little rough. Okay, don't judge me. This is the first time I've ever actually done bantu knots. I'll do with my own natural hair. So here it is. I did a very long dreadlock journey because my hair just like it takes a while to grow, and I'm expecting for my hair to grow out and thin out and be thinner, but you never know. I may just crochet it and make it just crochet it throughout as it grows and see if that'll help. So this is just trial and error. I'm not sure how it's gonna end up or turn out, but I do know that as far as I can see, I'm liking it. So to see the full-on finished look, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. Have a good one.